Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button. Your support keeps this train rolling. Ever walked into a movie expecting one thing and leaving with something completely different? Um, that's exactly how I felt stepping out of the Fantastic Four first steps. And uh, from the moment the lights dimmed, I knew this wasn't your typical Marvel flick. The score alone had me leaning in, big sweeping melodies that felt ripped from classic sci-fi adventures. The casting, uh, spot on. Uh, uh, Pedro Pascal's Reed Richards walks the line between genius and goofball, while Sue Storm steals scenes effortlessly. Johnny Storm, way cooler than the trailers uh, made him out to be. That special effects deserve their own round of applause. Maybe Marvel hasn't delivered visuals this crisp since Tony Stark first suited up. Every cosmic landscape and stretchy limb pops with dazzling detail. And here's the rub. Marketing spoiled nearly every big moment. Trailers showed Galactus looming. Teasers revealed the Silver Surfer twist. By opening night, surprises were extinct. The pacing stumbles at times. 1 minute we're racing toward doom. The next we're stuck debating ethics while Galactus looms overhead. Even a little girl in my row nodded off. Woke up just in time for the finale. Speaking of endings, forget what the leaks claimed. And the actual curtain drop subverts expectations completely. No Infinity War style cliffhanger here. Just a solid button on this chapter. Best part, Zero Loc lectures, unless you count Sue Storm demolishing villains solo. But come on, she's earned that power. Galactus might not match comic book grandeur, but his showdown with the team delivers laughs and spectacle. Reed stretching like taffy, comedy gold, like as if they're not. And here's a hot take. Origin story works. Top of this, which is if you possibly attention, then we don't have a high poll of the fighters, and we're just ensuring those polls, and most of them mean. Though part of me still wonders what got left on the cutting room floor. Final verdict. It's no flawless gem, but after recent Marvel misfires, seeing that FF done right feels like finding water in a desert. Just don't expect applause when credits roll. Why did Galactus cross space to get to the other side where better scripts waited? Too soon? With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.